What you got? Is that for me? Wait, wait a minute, wait a minute. What did you forget? Did you get my paper for me? Can you perform other common office tasks? Mm-hmm. Good job, baby. Soon I will teach you to park the car.
Good job, Sophie.